Milwaukee. It means a lot. My roots are African, and I was born and raised in Greece. But here, you always feel like home.
I am DJ Tunes. I'm a producer and DJ inspired by Afrobeats music.
You're Nigerian?
Yes, I am Nigerian. My father's from Ogun State. How about you?
My dad's Yoruba, my mom is Igbo.
Music and sports definitely bring a lot together. Today I want to create an anthem for you and the people of Milwaukee.
Let's do it, man.
Part of this track, I really want to embrace Milwaukee culture, the energy, vibration, the sounds.
The waves of the lake, Lake Michigan.
I definitely want to add some things from the Greek culture, like how they use claps and different chants in their music. I want to bring all those elements together. We have to make greatness.
Yes.
The bass, the harmony, you know, all plays an effect on how the sound takes you. It's time for Milwaukee to feel the vibrations, bringing the energy from Greece and the backbone from Africa. The track is done. So Giannis, hope you're ready for this.